Hi everyone, welcome back. I wanted to show everyone a couple of new accessories I got for my RC2 controller, and hopefully this is something that everyone would be interested in. I find it really cool. Anyways, one item I got was the djimicmini. And this is what you're going to get in the djimicmini. You're going to get this cable here if you're using your regular phone. This will go into the audio jack, and it'll also fit into the receiver. So you get that cable. You also get a charging cable. I opted to get the cheaper version there without the charging case. I think this was like $79 for the whole micmini set. And with that, you get a charging cable here. You've got two USB-C here that you can plug into the receiver here to charge it up. You can see it right here. You can plug into there, and then for the micmini, you don't get a USB-C on the micmini, but what they do give you is they give you this miniature charging dock, and that charging dock actually has a USB-C that you can plug in there, and then the micmini, the magnet there. Okay, and your micmini would just sit right in here. It just sits in there, just like that. Now also they give you a USB-C dongle here, which would slide into the receiver. Okay, and it goes in like this from the DJI side. And all you would do is just plug that into here. And then for your device, you would just plug it into your device, whether it be your phone. You could plug this into your phone, or my idea here is I want to be able to plug this into the RC2 so that I have audio on my RC2. And we're going to show you how we're going to do that. Okay, also, you're going to get two wind muffs. You know, they have one black and one gray in case you had a black shirt and you wanted this to be totally black to blend in with your shirt, or you can use the gray one. And they fit on pretty simple. They have, it's little bracket here. It's like 4 little brackets here, and all it does is it just snaps into place. Yeah, it should be easier than that. Okay, and it just snaps into place, and you're ready to go. Okay, another great item I found here was this controller protector and sunscreen. And as you can see, it fits just over the controller. It still leaves an opening for your C1, C2 buttons. And also it allows you to put your control sticks on. There's nothing I hate more than being out in the middle of a field and having to reach in the back, pull out my sticks, try to screw them on, and you drop one. And then you spend a half an hour trying to find that stick. And without the stick, you're going to have a tough time flying. But this way I can keep my sticks on here. And also what they do with this kit here, which was pretty cheap. It was $25 or something. And with this kit, they also give you these little screw hangers here for a lanyard, and they actually give you a lanyard that you can fit on here. Plus, you get a screen protector. This is a screen protector that I have on here to protect the screen. They also give you an additional screen protector. But this is very cool, and this can act as a sunshade. You know, this is very, very cool. I really like this. Okay, I'm going to turn on the controller. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to plug this in. Okay, and we're going to turn it on. There's a power button on this side here. So let's turn that on. Okay, and that's how you're going to know it's on. There's a solid green light. They also have a pairing button in case you needed to pair this up. You know, if you had used this mic mini is Bluetooth, so if you just paired this with your phone or any other device there and you needed to repair it back to the receiver because you want to use the receiver, then you have a pairing button on this also that you can press both pairing buttons and have them repair. Now these should be paired up because I haven't used the Bluetooth on the mic mini as of yet to pair it with my phone or my camera, whatever else I choose to do with it. Anyways, we have this hooked up. Okay, so now these two are connected, and the idea that I wanted the mic mini is, one, the price was cheap, and two, it's nice and small, it's compact. I can clamp it onto my shirt with a clamp that's at the back, and they even have a magnet, so if you want to put the magnet on the inside of your shirt, and you can just mount it that way, or with the magnet mount it onto something metal. But anyways, we have this connected, we have it plugged into the RC2, and we want to be able to record onto the RC2. So let's do a little test. Okay, this is now recording, and we'll see if it's actually gonna record my audio, which is the whole purpose of getting the mic mini for the RC2. Okay, so let's go into profile, let's go into settings. Okay, camera view on. Okay, we got a whole bunch of stuff here. You can check for updates. Okay, let's go back. What else can we open up? Oh, you can open up the DJI store. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Let's go back out of here. Okay, let's go back out of here. And now we're going to stop the recording. So we stop the recording. Okay, now we're going to go back in to the controller. Okay. Now what we want to do is find that recording. Okay, so this is now recording, and we'll see if it's actually gonna record my audio, which is the whole purpose of getting the mic mini for the RC2. Okay, so let's go into profile, let's go into settings. Okay, camera view on. Okay, Now, as you can see, it's actually recorded my voice onto the screen recording, and that's why I got the Mic Mini.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Let's go back out of here. Okay, let's go back out of here. And now we're going to stop the recording.
Okay guys, so if you like these two new accessories I just got, give us a thumbs up, and also let me know what you think of the audio on the RC2 with the DJI Mic Mini. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.